कभी महसूस किया है वो पल जब सब कुछ शांत हो जाता है, आसपास की आवाज़ें धीमी पड़ जाती हैं और सिर्फ एक चीज़ सुनाई देती है, आपकी धड़कन। ये कभी एक्साइटमेंट में होता है और कभी डर से, और कभी कभी ये बिना किसी वजह के होता है, पर ये एक अजीब सा एहसास है। लेट मी आस्क यू दिस, व्हेन वाज द लास्ट टाइम यू ट्रूली चेक्ड ऑन योरसेल्फ? और नहीं, मैं वो आई एम फाइन वाली चेकिंग या फेक स्माइल वाले प्रिटेंस की बात नहीं कर रही, बल्कि वो वाली चेकिंग जहाँ सिर्फ आपके दिमाग और दिल के बीच बात होती है, अकेले। तब क्या आवाज़ आती है? आई एम टायर्ड, ये सिर्फ मेरे साथ ही क्यों होता है, शायद बस ये एक फेज़ है। साउंड्स फेमिलियर, राइट? हम सब ये फीलिंग्स समझ भी लेते हैं, पर फिर भी चुप रहते हैं। और जब हम किसी से इस बारे में बात करते हैं तो जवाब क्या मिलता है?
I think you should go talk to somebody. Maybe get therapy.
But what about people for whom getting help wasn't even an option? What if therapy wasn't just expensive, but completely out of reach? Mental illness is often invisible, but its impact is felt everywhere. हर जगह, हर किसी के अंदर। और इंडिया में लाखों लोग इसे चुपचाप झेल रहे हैं। ना कोई समझने वाला है और ना कोई सुनने वाला। सच तो ये है कि मेंटल हेल्थ केयर हर किसी के लिए नहीं है, ये सिर्फ उनके लिए है जो इसे अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं। लेकिन क्या सिर्फ पैसा ये डिसाइड करेगा कि किसकी मेंटल हेल्थ ज़रूरी है? सोचिए, अगर मदद मांगनी ही ना पड़े, अगर उम्मीद खुद चलकर उन तक पहुंच सके।
When I came back from the UK about 16 years ago now, I already knew that mental health care in India was in crisis. I'd read about it, but seeing it up close was different. The reality was far worse than I had imagined. The system that the underprivileged rely upon is under-resourced, overstretched, and almost inaccessible. The people who need help most are the ones with nowhere to turn. They can't even afford basic treatment, a doctor's appointment, and medications. And in their world, talking about mental health isn't really an option because even survival is a daily fight. I knew I couldn't just walk away. I wanted to build something different, which will give even the poorest the access to the care that they deserve. Good comprehensive care, that too free of cost, to people who need it most. That's how MHAT was established.
Mental Health Action Trust works within communities where mental health care is nearly impossible to access, where people have no support and no way forward. It is not just about hospitals and clinics. यहाँ treatment medication के beyond है. It includes therapy, psychological assessments, and even home visits tailored to the needs of the communities they serve. MHAT का एक ही मकसद है, हर रुकावट को तोड़ना, चाहे वो सोच की हो, पैसों की या स्टिग्मा, और उन कम्युनिटीज तक पहुंचना जो सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत है।
One of the biggest challenges was in addressing deep-rooted cultural beliefs about mental illnesses prevalent in the country. Many people believe that mental disorders are caused like kala jadoo, spiritual imbalance, and black magic. In such cases, explaining about medicines and therapy is not enough. We don't dismiss their beliefs ever. Instead, we listen to them, we try to understand their fears and their cultural beliefs, and we try to provide care that helps their daily struggle. That's why we had to rethink about how we approach mental health.
From the beginning, we made a choice. No big workshops, no awareness drives. Not because awareness isn't important, but we know one thing. Just talking about mental health wouldn't change anything. So instead of convincing people why mental health matters, we just started treating them.
No questions, no stigma, just real help. Therapy, medication, guidance, basic amenities like food, shelter, and everything else we can help them with.
When I first joined MHAT after my master's, I thought that I would be applying what I learned. But at first, I had to unlearn a lot of things. And this is not just theories. It is about real people, their struggles and their pain. In the past year, I have seen the weight of silence, the taboos, fear, hesitation. And I have also seen trust being gradually developed and the hope for becoming better. The toughest cases have taught me the most, and the greatest reward is when the moment of healing begins. And that is when I realize that we have made a difference. Here,
We don't judge our clients, we don't correct them. We just listen to them and we try to understand them, and that's how we start helping them. Have seen women enduring many struggles. Family pressures, marriage struggles, and endless expectations. And the unspoken burden of taking care of their health, their bodies, and their mental health well-being. This isn't just a patient-doctor relationship. Sometimes being heard is the best medicine. I have seen silence turning into spoken truth. I have seen women finding the courage to seek help.
आज एमहैट सिर्फ एक इनिशिएटिव नहीं है, 1000 से भी ज्यादा वॉलंटियर्स का एक मूवमेंट बन गया है। पिछले कुछ सालों में इन्होंने 19,000 से भी ज्यादा लोगों तक मेंटल हेल्थ केयर पहुंचाई है।
MHAT is more than a treatment, it's a movement. By bringing recovery-oriented care to underserved people, we are making a difference. And we are training next generation mental health advocates. We are building a future where help is within everyone's reach.
Over the years, we have been able to touch the lives of over 7,000 patients and numerous caregivers. This is a testament to the fact that the model involving community ownership, thoughtful use of technology, and task sharing works. Presently, we have 3,500 patients who are receiving services on an ongoing basis.
This journey has not been easy. There were doubts, struggles, but every person we helped has made it worthwhile. And we're not stopping here.
India is a place where talking about mental health is still a taboo. Ignored, misunderstood, और simply dismissed. पर डॉक्टर मनोज और एमहैट ने एक अलग रास्ता चुना। मनोज जी ने प्रॉब्लम्स देखी, समझी और बिना डरे उसका सलूशन ढूंढने निकल पड़े। रास्ते में चैलेंजेस आए, रुकावटें मिली, पर उन्होंने हार नहीं मानी। लोगों के साथ मिलकर उनके लिए काम किया, बिल्कुल एक सच्चे हीरो की तरह। Support those who need help. Learn more about them right here. आज सिर्फ 5 मिनट निकालिए और इनसे जुड़िए, इनकी केप बनिए। Be capable.
क्योंकि हीरो का उल्टा विलन नहीं होता, हीरो का उल्टा होता है तमाशबीन।